Tired of looking at the clutter around your home? It's amazing how much our surroundings can affect our well-being. A clutter-free space can bring a sense of calm and peace, allowing you to truly relax and enjoy your home. Today, we're diving into 10 simple DIY organization hacks to transform your home. These hacks are easy to implement, using readily available materials. Remember, it's not just about tidying up, it's about creating a space that sparks joy and reflects who you are. Floating shelves. They're like little miracles for your walls. Instead of letting clutter pile up on counters and tables, imagine lifting those cherished items onto beautiful shelves. Think about those empty walls in your living room or bedroom. Installing a few floating shelves can instantly open up your space, making it feel larger and airier. Picture this: a collection of your favorite books or a display of travel mementos. Floating shelves provide a stage for these treasures, transforming them from ordinary objects into cherished displays. And the best part is, floating shelves are incredibly easy to install. With just a few basic tools, you can create a stunning focal point in any room. Let your personality shine through. Do you ever feel a pang of guilt when you're about to discard a beautiful glass jar? Don't worry, those jars have so much life left in them. Repurposing is all about finding new ways to use what we already have, and glass jars are incredibly versatile. Imagine them as elegant storage containers for pantry staples like dried beans, rice, or pasta. Transform those jars into charming bathroom organizers, holding cotton balls, cotton swabs, or bath salts. And let's not forget about the craft room. Glass jars are perfect for storing buttons, beads, or other small treasures. Remember, repurposing is all about creativity and finding joy in the simple things. So, the next time you're about to discard a glass jar, pause and consider its hidden potential. Have you ever opened a drawer or cabinet and felt overwhelmed? It's amazing how quickly things can become disorganized. That's where the magic of labels comes in. Labels guide us to exactly what we need. They transform chaos into calm. Imagine opening a drawer and seeing everything neatly labeled. Embrace the power of labels and experience their transformative effect. Mail. It can feel like a never-ending stream of paper invading our homes. But fear not, there's a simple solution. The mail sorting station. Imagine this: a designated spot where incoming mail goes directly instead of piling up on countertops. This station becomes your command center for managing the paper flow. Think about the different categories of mail you typically receive: bills, personal letters, catalogs. Envision a system where each category has its designated tray or folder within your mail sorting station. Make it a habit to sort your mail as soon as it arrives. Watch as your mail sorting station becomes your secret weapon in the fight against paper clutter. Let's talk about drawers. Those mysterious spaces that often become black holes for socks, underwear, and who knows what else. But fear not, there's a simple solution: drawer dividers. Imagine opening a drawer and seeing everything neatly organized. Drawer dividers create compartments within your drawers, preventing items from becoming a jumbled mess. Think about the different categories of clothing you store in your drawers. You can even repurpose old shoe boxes or cardboard dividers to create a custom organization system. Suddenly, finding the perfect pair of socks or your favorite t-shirt becomes effortless. The space under our beds, often overlooked and underutilized. But what if I told you that this hidden area holds incredible potential for creating a more organized and serene home? Underbed storage containers are the key to maximizing this often neglected space. Think about those bulky sweaters taking up precious closet space during the warmer months. Or perhaps you have extra sets of sheets and blankets that could be tucked away, freeing up valuable linen closet space. With a little bit of planning and effort, you can transform this hidden space into a valuable asset in your quest for a more organized and peaceful home. Cabinets. Those wonderful storage spaces that often hold so much potential but are rarely utilized to their fullest. But fear not, there's a simple solution: hooks. Imagine this. Instead of letting the backs of your cabinet doors go to waste, you install a few strategically placed hooks. Suddenly, you have a designated spot for dish towels in the kitchen, cleaning supplies under the sink, or even jewelry and scarves in the bedroom. No more rummaging through drawers or digging through cluttered shelves. Cabinet door hooks come in a variety of styles and finishes to match any decor. Choose hooks that are the appropriate size and weight capacity for the items you plan to hang. The pegboard, a blank canvas for organization, just waiting to be customized. This versatile tool is not just for workshops and garages anymore, it's your secret weapon for an organized home. Imagine your pegboard as a display for craft supplies, jewelry-making materials, or kitchen utensils. Pegboards allow you to see everything at a glance, making it easier to find what you need. They're incredibly easy to install and customize. Paint them to match your decor, add shelves or baskets, and rearrange hooks as needed. It's like having a giant, customizable organizer that evolves with your needs. Doors. Those often overlooked surfaces that hold so much potential for creating additional storage space. But fear not, there's a simple solution: over-the-door organizers. Imagine this. Instead of cluttering up floors and shelves, shoes, accessories, cleaning supplies, and more, find a new home neatly tucked away behind your doors. Over-the-door organizers are like secret storage compartments, maximizing vertical space and keeping your belongings organized and accessible. Think about the back of your bedroom door. Or perhaps your pantry door could benefit from an over-the-door rack, holding snacks, spices, or other pantry staples. Choose one that suits your needs and watch as your storage space magically expands. Embarking on a decluttering journey can feel overwhelming, especially when faced with a home full of belongings. But fear not, for I'm here to guide you with a gentle approach, one room at a time. Imagine this. Instead of tackling your entire house in one fell swoop, you choose one room to focus on first. The key is to start small and celebrate your successes along the way. Think of decluttering as a mindful practice, a journey of letting go of what no longer serves you and creating space for what truly sparks joy. So, be kind to yourself, take it one room at a time, and enjoy the process of creating a home that reflects the best version of you. As we've explored these 10 DIY organization hacks, remember that true organization is about creating a space that sparks joy and reflects who you are. It's about surrounding yourself with items that hold meaning and letting go of what no longer serves you. I encourage you to try these hacks in your own home and experience the transformative power of a well-organized space. Share your progress, inspire others, and celebrate each step you take towards creating a home that brings you peace and happiness. Transform your home into a serene and organized space. Happy organizing!